no wheel spin.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, 1.6. Caution, turn left. 200. 100, double caution, turn left. Caution, gutter on entry, gutter on outside, turn left. Keep it neat. Very nicely done, mate. So 460 metres. 300 metres, we'll straight on and we'll be sort of coming around to the left. 100 straight on, yep, that's in. Then 1 kilometre we'll be straight on again. Airflow over the crest. Nice. 500 metres. 200 straight on, 100 straight on, then 140 caution, road goes right on crest, caution, road goes right on crest, and 1 kilometre. On crest. 200, 100, turn left on crest, then 50 metres, keep left. So keep left here. We've got 440, we'll have a caution. So 300, caution dip. 200. 100 caution dip, so slow down a bit for him. That'll be this one. And we've got 1.7 k's. We're going to have straight on, then road goes right, although the tulip does not look like it's that, so I might get you to slow down as we approach and we'll have a look. So slow, 300, 200, or 200 now, so slow down, we're going to go straight on, so follow him around, then road goes right, and keep it to the left here, yep, I think that was it. So we've got 500, we'll have caution, turn right, gutter. So 200, 200 200, turn right. 200, turn right, caution, gutter. Then we'll have 200, caution, rut across road. So 100, caution, rut across road. 100, road goes left. So this will be road goes left. We've got 430. So we keep left, then 30 metres keep left. 200, keep left, then 30 keep left. 100, keep left, then 30 keep left. 240 will be keep left, then 30 metres turn right. So keep left, then 30, turn right. So turn right here. 100, straight on. So this will be here, straight on. Caution, road goes right at crest. Caution, road goes right at crest. We've got 500 and we'll go straight on past Crossroads. And 200. Straight on past Crossroads. Somewhere there. There it is. Right, 2 kilometres. Easy, mate, easy. In 600. 500 straight on. And so straight on, follow main road this way. Yep. Right, so I got 600, turn right at Crossroads. 400, 300. So we're going to have a 90-degree corner. Yep. 200, turn right at Crossroads, right here. We're going to have 300 straight on. 100 straight on. And we're going to have 500 and another straight on. Straight on. Here it is. Have another 500 straight on. Ease up here, mate. So 800, bear left off main road, narrow over culvert. So this one might need a bit of care. 500. 300, bear left off main road, narrow over culvert. Then slow them down, keep left, off main road, narrow. left at crossroads has been 90 degree. Watch out for the signpost. And we've got 1 kilometre, then we're going to keep left. Keep left. So we'll be bearing around to the left. 100. And 200, caution, straight on. Then caution, road goes left. Caution, the road goes left. And 2 kilometres. Flying finish. Let's get us to the end of the stage. Finish coming up, then we've only got 120 to stop. Alright, good job mate.